Which of these is a good way to spot driving hazards? A. Focus on your inside mirrors. B. Focus on the vehicle ahead. C. Scan ahead of your vehicle. Answer. C. Scan ahead of your vehicle. It is illegal for a person 21 years of age or older to drive with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, that is or more. A. 0.08 of 1%. B. 0.1 of 1%. C. 0.05 of 1%. Answer. A. 0.08 of 1%. What is a safety zone? A. An empty lane next to the freeway dividers. B. The median strip on a divided highway. C. A space set aside for pedestrians. Answer. C. A space set aside for pedestrians. This sign means A. Sharp curve ahead. B. You cannot make a U-turn. C. U-turn permitted on green arrow only. Answer. B. You cannot make a U-turn. When a traffic signal light is not working, you should A. Stop then continue driving when it is safe. B. Stop and let all the other traffic go first. C. Slow and stop if necessary. Answer. A. Stop then continue driving when it is safe. You are driving on a two-way street and you want to turn left at the corner. Who has the right of way? A. You do in all circumstances. B. Any vehicle coming towards you. C. Pedestrians on the sidewalk waiting for a walk signal. Answer. B. Any vehicle coming towards you. The speed limit for a school zone where children are present is unless otherwise posted. A. 5 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 20 miles per hour. Answer. B. 25 miles per hour. A green painted curb means A. Passenger loading or unloading area. B. Stopping or parking for a limited time only. C. Parking for emergency vehicles only. Answer. B. Stopping or parking for a limited time only. You should check traffic behind you. A. So you will know if you are being followed by a tailgater. B. Only on a freeway or highway. C. Only when you are slowing down. Answer. A. So you will know if you are being followed by a tailgater. Scanning while you drive means A. You look at everything. B. You look at the car immediately ahead of you. C. You look as far ahead as you can see. Answer. A. You look at everything. If your has an airbag. A. You have the option to use your seat belt. B. Only passengers in the back seat must use their seat belts. C. You must use your seat belt as well. Answer. C. You must use your seat belt as well. You're sold your vehicle. You must notify within 5 days. A. Your insurance company. B. Your automobile club. C. DMV. Answer. C. DMV. Safely backing your vehicle does not include A. Looking back over your right shoulder as you back. B. Checking behind your vehicle before you get in. C. Tapping your horn as you back. Answer. C. Tapping your horn as you back. If you have an accident and there is an injury, death, or more than $500 in damages, you must A. Show your license only if asked by a police officer. B. Make a written report, SR1, to the CHP only someone is injured. C. Make a written report, SR1, to the DMV. Answer. C. Make a written report, SR1, to the DMV. The school bus ahead of you is flashing red lights. What should you do? A. Stop first then proceed when safe. B. Stop as long as the red lights flash. C. Stop only if children are visible. Answer. B. Stop as long as the red lights flash. You just rear-ended the car in front of you. You were probably A. Weaving in and out of traffic. B. Following too closely. C. Looking in your rear-view mirror too often. Answer. B. Following too closely. You want to change lanes. To be sure the lane is clear, you should A. Look into the rear-view mirror only. B. Turn your head and look in the lane you want to enter. C. Turn your head and look over your right shoulder. Answer. B. Turn your head and look in the lane you want to enter. This sign means A. Side road to the right. B. Right lane ends ahead. C. No right turn. Answer. C. No right turn. Where should you stop your vehicle when there is no limit line? A. Out far enough to see cross traffic. B. At the crosswalk. C. After the crosswalk. Answer. B. At the crosswalk. This sign means A. You may turn left or right when the light is green. B. You may turn left on a green light when it is safe. C. You must wait for the green light. Answer. B. You may turn left on a green light when it is safe. This sign means A. Stop every time. B. Stop 2 feet before the limit line. C. Stop only if other vehicles are present. Answer. A. Stop every time. Always look carefully for motorcycles before you make a left turn because A. It is illegal for motorcycles to share traffic lanes. B. They always have the right of way at intersections. C. Their smaller size makes them harder to see. Answer. C. Their smaller size makes them harder to see. Which of these statements is true about large trucks? A. Trucks are not as maneuverable as passenger vehicles. B. They do not need more space for turns. C. They do not need more space to stop and start. Answer. A. Trucks are not as maneuverable as passenger vehicles. The best advice for driving in fog is don't. But if you must drive in the fog, you should A. Use your emergency flashes regularly. B. Turn on your parking lights only. C. Turn on your low beam lights. Answer. C. Turn on your low beam lights. If you have a conditional driver license, there is A. A special time to renew your license. B. Special restrictions you must follow when driving. C. Age limits imposed on your driver license. Answer. B. Special restrictions you must follow when driving. This sign means A. Rest area ahead. B. Right lane is ending. C. Restricted area ahead. Answer. A. Rest area ahead. You just parked your vehicle parallel to a curb. The wheels must be within inches of the curb. A. 12. B. 18. C. 16. Answer. B. 18. You see an accident ahead. You are the first person to help. Where should you stop your vehicle? A. Before you reach the accident scene. B. After you have passed the accident scene. C. Close to the edge of the lane to help slow down the traffic behind you. Answer. B. After you have passed the accident scene. You should never park A. In a space marked with a cross-hatched pattern. B. In a bike lane. C. 20 feet from a railroad track. Answer. A. In a space marked with a cross-hatched pattern. To make a right turn, start in the right-hand lane and end in A. The left lane. B. The lane closest to the curb. C. Any lane available. Answer. B. The lane closest to the curb. You reach the intersection at the same time as the driver on your left. Who goes first? A. The driver on your left goes first. B. You go first. C. Whoever is signaling to make a turn. Answer. B. You go first. A solid double yellow line means you may A. Enter a private driveway. B. Overtake and pass another vehicle. C. Not cross the line for any reason. Answer. C. Not cross the line for any reason. Which of these statements is true about slippery road surfaces? A. Bridges and overpasses freeze last. B. On cold, wet days, shade from buildings or trees can hide spots of ice. C. Pavements are not slippery for the first few minutes after it starts to rain on a hot day. Answer. B. On cold, wet days, shade from buildings or trees can hide spots of ice. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down but allow cross traffic to go first. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Wait for the green light before entering. Answer. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. You are driving on a two-way street and you want to turn left at the corner. Give the right of way to A. Vehicle stopped at a red light. B. Any vehicle coming towards you. C. Pedestrians on the sidewalk waiting for a walk signal. Answer. B. Any vehicle coming towards you.